Hey everyone, so right now, I'm going to work on animating this watch, setting it up with the strap, and getting that nice bending animation going. First, I'm going to curl this watch strap using the simple deform modifier. I'll set it to bend. As you can see, it's not bending correctly yet. That's because the origin point isn't aligned properly. Let's fix that. I'll go to the options menu up here in the top right corner, and turn on effect only origins. Now I can rotate just the origin point. I'll set it to -90 degrees, and that aligns it correctly. I'll do the same thing for the other part of the strap, just rotating it properly, so it bends in the right direction. Okay, for now, I'm just going to add a few simple keyframes. Nothing fancy, just to make it move nicely, without me controlling everything manually. Now we're going to pair at the buckle, and the tongue to the strap mesh. I'll move the cursor to the origin point of the buckle and tongue. Then, let's add an empty right there. Now, I'll parent both the buckle and the tongue to that empty. And after that, I'll parent the empty itself to the strap mesh. Before I do that, let's go into edit mode on the strap mesh and select 3 vertices. Those will be my reference points. Now back to object mode, select the empty, then the strap mesh, and back to edit mode again. Press Ctrl+P to parent to the selected vertices. There we go. Now the buckle and tongue move nicely with the strap. Using the empty just helps to keep everything cleaner and easier to animate later. Alright, now I'm moving on to the keyframing part. I'm just trying to make the strap look like it's actually tightening and connecting together, without any clipping. You can see there's a little clipping happening here, because one strap has a hole and the other one needs to pass through it. So we'll fix that using shape keys. I'll select the mesh part that needs adjusting. Before editing, I'll add a basis shape key, then another one on top. Now in this new shape key, I can actually edit the mesh. I'm adjusting the part of the strap here to make it deform a bit when they come together. Kind of like what you'd see in the reference image. It takes a bit of experimenting to get this looking right. I'll add another shape key for the other side of the strap too. Just for a bit more control, I'm also renaming the shape keys so it's easier to keep track of what's what. I don't want the straps to overlap too much, just to sit naturally together. Alright, now I'm starting to keyframe the shape keys, along with the buckle's position. This part's a little tedious, especially the first few times you try it. It's mostly trial and error, but once you play around with it, move the strap a bit, pull it out slightly, and keep tweaking, you'll see it actually works really well. The straps come together smoothly, and everything feels more natural. I'll fast forward the rest of this process since it's mostly fine-tuning and adjustment, but that's basically how you can rig, bend, and animate a watch strap in Blender without any clipping. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed it or learned something new, that's awesome. I really appreciate you being here. I'll see you in the next one.